Today we're talking how we can multiply by 11. If we have 23 times 11, we can find the result directly. We can say 1 times 3. Here we can say 1 times 3 equals what? Equals 3. And here also we have 1 times 2 equals 2. We make distance here between them. Here 1 times 3 equals 3, and here 1 times 2 equals 2, and we will add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So result here equals 253. Another question. He said 27 times by 11. How we can solve? We will say 1 times 7. 1 times 7 equals 7, and here also 1 times 2 equals 2, and here we make distance and we will make addition. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equals what? 7 plus 2 equals 9. So result here equals 297. If he said 39 times 11, here 39 times 11 equals, we'll say 1 times 9. 1 times 9 equals 9, and here we'll make distance. 1 times 3 equals 3. And here 9 plus 3 equals 12. We'll write 2 and carry up 1. So final result here equals 429. Here finally it will be 429. Another question. If he said 68 times 11, it will be in table 11 only. Here this steps in table 11 only. We can say 8 times 1 equals 8. 6 times 1 equals 6. Here we have distance between them, and we'll make addition to 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14. We'll say 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So final result here equals 748. Finally, if we say 87 times 11. 87 times 11. How we can solve this question? We will say also 7 times 1. 7 times 1 equals 7. And 8 times 1, here we have distance, equals 8, and we'll make addition. Addition for what? 8 plus 7 equals 15. We'll write 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9, so result equals 957.